Improper, inefficient, or ill-conceived maintenance programs cost facilities around the world hundreds of millions of dollars each year in lost productivity and direct maintenance and repair costs, costs that could be realized as profit. For those facilities ready to invest in strategic maintenance programs that can be directly tied to improved business results, Midwest's Managed Services Program is a powerful ally. Midwest's Managed Service Program is a complete, turnkey operation that functions over the course of the dust control season. Our Managed Services Program breaks down into a 5-phase process designed to deliver superior results: site evaluation, site strategy, program design, chemistry selection and product selection, application process, and management of the program. During the site evaluation process, we work to understand the factors that contribute to lost productivity and identify the ones that could be most improved by proper maintenance. These include traffic flows and road usage patterns, dust sources, dust control challenges, traffic loading, spillage risks, track-on and contamination sources. Evaluating the industrial site is critical to understanding the sources of dust and the challenges in controlling dust emissions. Accumulating knowledge about traffic flows, traffic loading, spillage, and track-on and contamination sources will result in more thorough and effective solutions. Understanding the inner workings of each and every site is essential to the successful implementation of maintenance solutions that really work. With the site evaluation in hand, the Midwest team works with facilities to determine the level of dust reduction and stabilization required, then sets critical maintenance goals that are tied to increases in productivity. At Midwest, we work side by side with facility managers and owners to develop business cases illustrating the return on investment they'll see from improved maintenance. Program design takes the targets set in the site strategy phase and crafts a maintenance program to meet them. We test native soils and evaluate environmental factors to help us identify the optimal chemistry of the product to be applied. Midwest offers a wide range of products that have been extensively researched and tested at our market-leading Innovation Center to ensure they deliver the best results in any climate. Pairing the right product to the climate and soils at your site is essential to the success of our maintenance program. Proper application is 60% of the equation when it comes to achieving optimal results. We've developed unmatched expertise with our products that enable us to achieve dust control and stabilization goals without waste or over-application. We follow up at regular intervals to measure the results of the maintenance program over the long term. Each evaluation represents an opportunity to make any necessary adjustments to the program and make sure that the solution is working as well as possible. We are here to make sure that your site experiences the full benefits of Midwest's program for years to come, from enhanced employee health and safety to lower operating costs, and to make sure you realize gains in productivity, all within a controlled, fixed budget. We are your long-term partners in making sure your maintenance program works for you.